Scott Anderson. I'm a building consultant for Connecticut Valley Homes. We tend to put a lot of thought into the designs of all of the homes that we build, so we try to be the unmodular modular, if you will. You don't have to go from showroom to showroom kind of looking for different items that we're going to put in the house. We have double hung, double tilt windows, all Kohler fixtures, quartz countertops, subway tile backsplashes also. We have one location that you go to. We have someone helping you through that process. Definitely a lot of care and thought put into the base packaging of each home that we build.